Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Throw away your glasses. Only using this one ingredient will help you increase your vision by 97%. As we age, our complete organism begins to deteriorate and we acquire some illnesses that worry us very much. Natural medicine has become a greater and greater substitute to traditional medicine, giving us ideas on what could happen to our body in the future. Our vision is one of the senses that become affected over time. Our eyes are probably the most important thing we have because they receive about 90% of the information from the real world. That help us learn things and defend ourselves if we have to. The science has become very developed. So, as we know, there are glasses and contact lenses we can use to improve our vision. But the truth is that actually cheat the eye with some sort of glazing, and this become a decisive problem. So that's why we are here. We are going to present you a recipe that will help you throw away your glasses in only several weeks. And it's completely natural. The secret of this natural advice is based on saffron, a root that not many of you know. It's mostly used in kitchen. The researcher Sylvia Bisti came to the conclusion that this natural element could stop and recover the degeneration of eyesight, achieving that the cells integrated to the visual system become harder and more resistant in a very short time. It is recommended to take this preparation in the form of tea. You need 1 gram of saffron, 1 cup of water. Preparation. When the water starts to boil, add the saffron and you can also add a little bit of honey. Drink it throughout the day or before you sleep at night. In addition to helping your vision, saffron also purifies your blood, improves the level of triglycerides and cholesterol. Improving the blood circulation helps in the treatment of arthritis, promotes learning and memory retention. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.